Your body is repairing itself every second, even while you sleep. Skin cells are replaced, muscles rebuild after movement, the liver processes unwanted substances, and the immune system responds to daily threats. But these systems cannot perform at their best without the nutrients they depend on, and the foods you choose can either support that work or leave your body with fewer materials to use. The good news is that supporting natural healing does not require an expensive supplement, a restrictive cleanse, or a perfect diet. It begins with ordinary foods that provide protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and protective plant compounds. These foods cannot cure every condition, but they can help create a stronger nutritional environment for repair, recovery, and long-term protection. In this video, you will discover 12 of the healthiest foods that help your body heal naturally from the inside. Some support tissue repair, some protect cells, and others strengthen the gut, immune system, heart, or muscles. Watch until the end, because several of the most useful choices are affordable foods you can begin adding to your meals without completely changing the way you eat. Powerful cell protection and collagen support. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, the plant pigments responsible for their deep blue color. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress created by normal metabolism, exercise, pollution, and everyday strain. They do not remove every source of damage, but they provide additional nutritional support for the defense systems your body already uses. Blueberries also provide vitamin C and fiber, two nutrients that contribute to natural recovery in different ways. Vitamin C is needed to produce collagen, a structural protein found in skin, blood vessels, cartilage, and connective tissues. Fiber supports digestion and feeds beneficial gut bacteria, helping create a healthier intestinal environment where nutrients can be processed and used more effectively. Fresh or frozen blueberries can be added to oatmeal, plain Greek yogurt, smoothies, or a small serving of nuts. Frozen berries are often more affordable, last longer, and remain easy to use throughout the week. Choose varieties without added sugar because the goal is to receive their natural nutrients without turning a healing-focused food into a heavily sweetened snack that works against your wider routine. Complete protein for stronger tissue repair. Salmon supplies all the essential amino acids your body needs to maintain and rebuild muscle, enzymes, hormones, and other tissues. This makes it especially valuable after exercise, illness, injury, or periods of low appetite. When your body is recovering, dependable protein gives it the building blocks required to replace damaged structures and preserve strength. Salmon is also rich in the omega-3 fats, EPA and DHA, which become part of cell membranes and help regulate inflammatory signaling. Inflammation is a normal part of healing, but it should not remain unnecessarily elevated. Including omega-3 rich foods can support a more balanced internal response, while also benefiting the heart, brain, circulation, and overall cellular function. Bake, grill, or air fry salmon with lemon, garlic, and herbs, instead of covering it with heavy sauces. 1 or 2 fish meals each week can be a practical starting point for many people. Fresh salmon is not the only option. Frozen or canned salmon can still provide valuable protein and omega-3 fats, making this healing food easier to fit into different budgets and schedules. Affordable rebuilding nutrition in one simple food. Eggs provide high-quality protein containing the amino acids your body uses to maintain muscles, produce enzymes, and repair everyday tissue damage. They are quick to prepare, easy to combine with other foods, and useful during busy mornings or recovery periods when you need a nourishing meal without spending a long time in the kitchen. The yolk contains choline, a nutrient involved in cell membranes, brain signaling, liver function, and normal metabolism. Eggs also provide selenium and several important vitamins and minerals that support antioxidant defenses and energy production. Eating the whole egg, therefore, gives your body a broader range of nutrients than egg whites alone, although balance and overall diet quality still matter. Pair eggs with spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, or avocado to create a more complete meal, instead of serving them mainly with processed meats and refined bread. Boiled eggs can become an easy snack, while a vegetable omelet can deliver protein and several plant nutrients at once. Gentle cooking with a small amount of olive oil keeps the meal simple, filling, and supportive of recovery. Blood, energy, and cell renewal support. Spinach supplies folate, vitamin K, carotenoids, magnesium, and many protective plant compounds while adding very few calories to a meal. Folate helps the body create new cells, while magnesium participates in hundreds of reactions involving muscles, nerves, protein production, DNA, energy metabolism, and the normal repair processes occurring throughout the body. Spinach also provides plant-based iron, a mineral needed to produce hemoglobin and transport oxygen through the blood. Because plant iron is not absorbed as easily as iron from animal foods, combining spinach with lemon, tomatoes, bell peppers, or oranges can help. Better iron absorption supports oxygen delivery, and every tissue depends on oxygen to produce energy and carry out maintenance. Add spinach to eggs, soups, lentils, pasta sauce, or warm grain bowls. A large handful cooks down quickly, making it easy to increase your intake without creating an oversized meal. People who use certain blood-thinning medications should keep vitamin K intake consistent and follow professional guidance, rather than suddenly eating very large amounts of leafy greens after rarely consuming them. Protective nutrients for tissue maintenance. Broccoli provides vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, fiber, and sulfur-containing plant compounds. Vitamin C supports collagen formation, vitamin K contributes to normal blood clotting and bone health, and folate helps the body create new cells. Together, these nutrients support the basic repair work your body performs after normal wear, movement, and daily stress. The fiber in broccoli also supports the digestive system and feeds the community of microbes living in the gut. These microbes interact with food and produce substances that influence the intestinal environment. No single vegetable can repair the entire digestive system, but regularly eating fiber-rich plants like broccoli can support regularity, gut resilience, and healthier communication between digestion and immunity. Steam broccoli until tender, or roast it with garlic, pepper, lemon, and a small amount of olive oil. Avoid overcooking it until it becomes extremely soft and loses its appealing texture. Frozen broccoli is an excellent backup because it is affordable, lasts for months, and can be added directly to soups, rice dishes, or dinners when you do not have time to wash and chop fresh vegetables. Plant protein and gut-nourishing fiber. Lentils provide protein, iron, folate, magnesium, fiber, and slowly digested carbohydrates in one inexpensive food. This combination supports energy production, red blood cell formation, muscle maintenance, and steady fullness. Lentils are especially useful for anyone trying to improve nutrition, while reducing the cost of relying on meat as the main protein source at every meal. Certain fibers in lentils reach the large intestine, where beneficial microbes ferment them and produce short-chain fatty acids. These substances help nourish cells lining the colon and contribute to a healthier intestinal environment. Lentils cannot solve every digestive problem, but they can become part of the varied, fiber-rich eating pattern that supports regularity, resilience, and stronger gut function over time. Increase lentils gradually if you are not used to eating legumes, because adding too much fiber at once may cause gas or discomfort. Rinse canned lentils or cook dry lentils until soft. Then add them to soups, salads, rice, or tomato-based dishes. Combining them with lemon, peppers, or tomatoes adds vitamin C and helps your body absorb more of their plant-based iron. Protein and digestive support in a convenient bowl. Plain Greek yogurt provides concentrated protein, calcium, and, when it contains live cultures, helpful microorganisms. Protein gives your body amino acids for tissue maintenance, while calcium contributes to strong bones, muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and other essential processes. This makes yogurt a practical recovery snack that requires almost no preparation. Live cultures may support the balance and activity of the gut microbiome, although their effects depend on the strains, the product, and the individual. Look for labels mentioning live and active cultures, but remember that yogurt is supportive food rather than a treatment for serious digestive disease. Persistent pain, bleeding, or major digestive changes deserve proper medical evaluation instead of dietary guesswork. Choose plain Greek yogurt and add your own blueberries, cinnamon, chia seeds, walnuts, or sliced fruit. Many flavored products contain enough added sugar to turn a nutritious base into a dessert-like snack. Lactose-free yogurt, may be easier for some people to tolerate. A simple bowl containing protein, fruit, fiber, and healthy fat can support recovery, fullness, and steadier energy during the day. Immune, skin, and barrier tissue nourishment. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, the orange pigment your body can convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A supports normal immune function, vision, growth, and the maintenance of tissues lining the respiratory and digestive systems. These barrier tissues form part of your body's first defense and require reliable nutrition to stay healthy and functional. Sweet potatoes also provide fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and satisfying carbohydrates. Carbohydrates supply energy your body can use for movement, brain function, immune activity, and physical recovery. The goal is not to avoid carbohydrates completely, but to choose nutrient-dense sources and combine them with protein and healthy fat, rather than relying mostly on refined foods that provide little fiber or nutrition. Bake or roast sweet potatoes with the skin when possible, then pair them with eggs, salmon, chicken, beans, or lentils. Adding a small amount of olive oil helps your body absorb fat-soluble carotenoids more efficiently. Avoid turning them into a heavily sweetened side dish. Their natural flavor works well with cinnamon, paprika, black pepper, garlic, or fresh herbs. Collagen production and antioxidant defense. Oranges, mandarins, lemons, and other citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, a nutrient required to create collagen. Collagen forms part of the structure of skin, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, bones, and blood vessels. Without enough vitamin C, the body cannot carry out this building process as efficiently, making regular food sources valuable for everyday repair. Vitamin C also works as an antioxidant and improves the absorption of iron from plant foods. This makes citrus especially useful beside spinach, lentils, beans, and whole grains. Choose whole fruit more often than juice because the intact fruit provides fiber, takes longer to consume, and usually supports fullness more effectively than drinking a large amount of naturally occurring sugar within a few minutes. Add lemon to fish, vegetables, and salads, or keep oranges and mandarins available for a convenient snack. Citrus can brighten healthy meals without requiring heavy sauces or extra sugar. Grapefruit, however, can interact with several medications. Anyone taking prescription medicine should check with a pharmacist or clinician before making grapefruit a regular part of the diet. Healthy fats for cells, the heart, and recovery. Walnuts provide polyunsaturated fats, plant-based omega-3 ALA, protein, fiber, magnesium, and antioxidant compounds. These fats help form cell membranes, while magnesium supports muscles, nerves, blood sugar control, blood pressure, protein production, bone health, and DNA. A small serving can therefore add several useful recovery nutrients to an ordinary meal. Walnuts are calorie-dense, so a small handful is generally enough. Their greatest value comes when they replace less nutritious snacks rather than being added in unlimited amounts. Combine them with fruit, oatmeal, yogurt, or salads to create a more satisfying mix of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. This can slow digestion and help reduce the urge to keep snacking soon after eating. Store walnuts in a cool, dark place or in the refrigerator to protect their delicate fats from becoming rancid. Choose unsalted or lightly salted varieties when possible, particularly if you are trying to control sodium. Almonds, pistachios, and other nuts are also valuable, but walnuts stand out for their ALA content. Rotating different nuts gives your body a wider range of nutrients, heart-friendly fat, and better nutrient absorption. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fat and contains protective plant compounds. Using it in place of butter or other foods high in saturated fat can support healthier cholesterol patterns and cardiovascular health. Strong circulation matters for healing because blood delivers oxygen, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals to tissues throughout the body. Olive oil can also improve the absorption of fat-soluble compounds found in vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, tomatoes, and sweet potatoes. Use it in salad dressing, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or cook with a reasonable amount. It works best as part of a balanced meal, not as a remedy swallowed by the spoonful or added in large quantities without considering total calories. Because olive oil is energy-dense, measure it rather than pouring freely from the bottle. 1 tablespoon can add flavor and satisfaction, while several unnoticed tablespoons can quickly change the energy content of a meal. Store the bottle away from heat, light, and the stove. Its purpose is to replace less helpful fats and strengthen the meal, not become an unnecessary extra. Flavorful support for protective body systems. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that have been studied for their possible effects on cardiovascular health, immune activity, and inflammatory pathways. It should not be described as a cure, but it can improve the flavor of vegetables, beans, fish, and whole food meals, making it easier to eat nourishing ingredients consistently without depending on heavy sauces. Chopping or crushing garlic activates chemical reactions that create many of its distinctive compounds. Allowing chopped garlic to rest briefly before cooking may help preserve more of them, although the final amount depends on preparation and heat. Raw garlic can irritate the stomach or cause reflux in some people, so lightly cooked garlic may be a gentler and more sustainable choice. Add garlic to lentil soup, roasted broccoli, salmon, spinach, tomato sauce, or olive oil dressing. It connects many foods on this list and makes simple meals more satisfying. Garlic supplements are much more concentrated than normal food amounts and may interact with medication or increase bleeding risk, so use supplements only with appropriate professional guidance. These 12 foods cannot force the body to heal, but they provide many of the materials it uses to protect and rebuild itself. Amino acids for tissue, vitamin C for collagen, fiber for gut health, healthy fats for cells, and minerals for muscles, nerves, blood, and immunity. Their real value appears when they become ordinary parts of your weekly routine rather than foods you eat only occasionally. You do not need to add all 12 foods at once. Choose one simple upgrade, such as blueberries in yogurt, spinach with eggs, lentils in soup, broccoli beside dinner, or walnuts with fruit. Repeat that choice until it becomes automatic. Then add another. Long-term recovery rarely comes from one dramatic meal. It grows from the supportive choices your body receives again and again. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 12 foods do you already eat every week, and which one will you add first? Your answer may help another viewer discover an affordable place to begin. And if this video made healthy eating feel clearer and more practical, subscribe to Healthy Grams and turn on notifications for more powerful everyday foods and realistic nutrition strategies. Remember, food is not a replacement for medical care, but it can become one of the strongest foundations supporting your body each day. Build meals from simple ingredients, stay active, sleep well, manage stress, and give your body time to respond. Your body is constantly working to protect and repair you. Your role is to keep providing better materials for that work.